Poul's Kitchen is Chef Poul. With me today, Chef Amy.
Hi.
And we're just getting done Christmas. We're getting rid of all that garbage. And I'm telling you right now, one of the hardest things that we had to go through this year was chocolate. Because, as you all know, Amy's developed an issue because she had her gallbladder taken out. Now she's kind of limited on what she can have, and everybody has all this chocolate. There's chocolate on sale here, there's chocolate on sale like there, and Amy's almost crying because she wants chocolate and she can't have it. So what do? How do we fix this? Well, that's easy. I'm glad you asked. We're going to make Amy some chocolate. So I'm just going to take a pan and a pot here, I should say. I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil in here, not too much, just a little bit, just because I don't want anything burning.
No.
I'm not going to turn that on quite yet. So I've got 4 dates, and I've got some almonds, some raw almonds. It's very important to notice the difference. So we're going to make Amy some chocolates that are good and tasty, and will be good for her.
Oh.
This works a lot better when it's actually more full. We don't want to overload it too much, but we kind of want this kind of consistency. So now let's do some measuring. So I want some carab powder. If you don't have this, get it. If you don't know what this is, even if you don't have any health issues and there's nothing wrong with you, this is still good.
Yeah.
This is really good. Amy absolutely swears by this. She loves this, and this is probably one of the best things she can have. So the reason we're putting the dates in there is the dates gives it a little bit of sweetness. We want a little bit of sweetness in this because it is chocolate after all. And carab powder works like cocoa. So if you need 1 cup of something with cocoa, then you need 1 cup of carab powder. Simple as that. This is really, really good. This is really, really tasty. So I'm going to put this in this pot here. And now we need coconut oil. Or coconut oil. And watch does not have enough. And we don't.
Uh-oh.
Give me 1 second to go through here again. I don't think we have any more.
No.
No, we don't. So what can we do?
Should I pause this?
No. Give me 1 second, guys. Now, I don't like doing this, but I don't really have much choice here. But we are going to have to do something, and if I get it, we're going to do this. You know what? No. We're going to run to the store really quick, and we'll be right back, and we'll continue. And we're back. So please hit that like, share, subscribe button. It means a lot to us. I had to run to the store because I need a cup of coconut oil. Yes, you can substitute it for other things, but it wouldn't taste that good. And while I'm not the one eating this, surprise, Amy is, and I want her to be able to enjoy it. And I got good news. My butter paneer was acceptable to an Indian. So, if that doesn't make sense to you, it's because, well, it's an Indian dish, and we filmed this and released this earlier today. But it's important to me because I want to make sure that when I'm cooking something, that it actually is, like, that it's actually legitimate.
She said the only thing is that they would use more spice, but I can't have that.
Yeah.
So.
But as far as everything else goes, she was happy with it. She said it tasted good. You want to make sure that you're getting a whole cup of coconut oil, and Amy's just going to love me because it just means more dishes to do.
That's okay.
But she likes dishes. I had to run to the store and get more coconut oil because we needed it. But it's like $5. Technically less. Alright, so I've already got a cup of carab powder in there. With a couple of dates, I think I used 3 or 4.
4.
4, okay, that's right. I used 4 dates. And those are carab powder. If you're somebody that struggles with IBS, diabetes, or somebody that just really likes really good chocolate, I'm going to turn the heat on to 4. I'm not going to worry about the almonds quite yet, but you want raw almonds. I know you can get them in the bacon aisle, and get them from the bulk aisle. As this heats up, this is the butter's going to, or the oil is going to start to get a little bit more moist. And it's going to wet, and this will start to absorb a little bit.
Yeah.
We're not going to add the nuts in quite yet.
No, that needs to melt.
But we need to get this melted first. It doesn't take that long. This is a really quick and easy recipe. And I can feel this is starting to heat up really good right now. Carab powder is one of my favorite things in the world. It's really good. And believe it or not, to me, I think it makes better chocolate.
Yeah. And I believe it's on sale right now on Amazon.
So chances are, guys, when you get to it, it's probably not going to be on sale.
Yeah.
And that's fine. And it's starting to melt now. It doesn't take very long. Just be patient with it. But we just want to take our time and actually have this stirred in once it melts, so that everything's all combined. And that's what it's doing right now. You can make a really big batch of this if you have a lot of oil.
Yeah, a lot of carab powder.
And a lot of carab powder, and it's worth it. I mean, Amy will tell you it makes her favorite chocolates.
Oh, it's really good.
And it's one of those things, around the holidays when you're diabetic or you suffer some other little issue that prevents you from enjoying the same things everybody else does, it's hard. it's really, really hard. Because then you're the one that has to look back at everybody else enjoying the things that you like. But here's the thing: when somebody tells you, "Oh, well, you're diabetic and you can't have this," well, that's not true.
Yeah.
It absolutely isn't true. You can enjoy this too.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody can enjoy this. Because there's, I mean, number one, the date, that should bring, that's going to bring a lot of natural sugar out, and that's pretty good. And then carab powder is really good. Now, I've been advised, I should say this too, carab powder, like regular chocolate, is a diuretic. If you drink coffee, guess what? It's a diuretic. So when you read this, that it's a diuretic, don't look at that as such a bad thing, because chances are, if you're used to coffee, then guess what? It's a diuretic too. I'm gonna turn the heat up. So
It actually comes from Spain.
Yeah, it's a European, Mediterranean plant. And do some research, guys. Like, seriously, look it up. It's a great and amazing. It's an amazing thing. And this is going to be it for my cooking for about probably a week.
Yeah.
We got enough food to do, so.
We do. But I'm definitely going to enjoy the chocolate and the paneer.
All right, so. Move this out of my way. So I got a cupcake tray, and I'm going to use that as my mold.
Or a muffin tray.
Muffin tray. And I'm going to pour it into. I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm not going to close it until it's actually frozen, because we're going to stick this in the freezer after. Can you smell this, Amy?
Mm-hmm.
How's that smell?
Really good.
So I'm going to lift this up a bit so it's not too much of a pain trying to put it in here. And you got to be careful too, because this is a very hot pot. And it's not going to take very long
To freeze.
No, not at all.
I think that's it.
Yeah, not quite though. Almost. Not quite enough to make 6 large, but
No.
5 large and 1 small one. I think Amy's alright with that.
Yeah, that's okay.
Amy don't like no short chocolate men.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you turn the stove off, by the way, guys. Amy's already taken care of that.
Yeah.
And now what you want to do is you
Soak
just,
that.
just soak that, because it's going to be a real pain.
It's going to be
if you don't.
sticky.
Now what you're going to do here, guys, is you're just going to stick this into a freezer level. You don't want it not level. It has to be level.
Yeah.
And then what you want to do is freeze it for a while. When it's done, close it up, wrap it up, and then you're ready to eat. But wait until it's frozen. Don't take it out and just set it in a room like you would with regular chocolate. It's dark chocolate. It's
it will melt.
It's going to melt. So leave it in the freezer until you're ready. Let it warm up a little bit before you eat it, but you're good. So please hit that like, share, subscribe button, and let's make cooking great again.